Satellite digital television is becoming more and more popular today. It allows us to watch TV channels with increased broadcasting precision. Satellite television is reception of signals, not from a land-based transmitter like the Ostankino TV tower, but directly from a satellite. A set of satellite equipment is required for reception. It includes an antenna, converter, and a satellite receiver. A signal from the satellite gets to the satellite antenna, where it is reflected many times, accumulated and converted into a signal of lower frequency. Then it goes through a cable to a receiver, which is installed near the TV set. Then you simply choose the required channel with your remote control and enjoy it. The TV company NTV Plus is the obvious Russia's leader for the number of digital TV channels in the Russian language. NTV Plus offers over 100 channels of various themes. For convenience, channels are divided into subject areas: sports, movies, news, music, children's and educational. NTV Plus' own programs are broadcast with a multi-channel sound Dolby Digital 5.1. NTV Plus was the first Russia's TV company to launch high-definition channels. We offer NTV Plus gift certificates. This is a good-looking document which you can give to another person as a gift or buy for yourself. All the certificate holder has to do is to call the TV company on the number indicated in the certificate, quote the certificate number, and arrange for the time and date of a visit of NTV Plus specialists with all necessary equipment. The certificate cost includes card activation price, subscriber's fee advance, cost of SD equipment, equipment mounting. For more information, please visit our website.